This is a 2018 Chrysler Pacifica, gray over black leather interior. Power driver's seat, power windows, power locks, heated power mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, home link for your garage door, satellite radio, remote start, dual power sliding doors, traction control, captain's chairs in the second row, aluminum wheels, backup sensors, backup camera, power tailgate. There's a look at the storage behind the third row seats. Those seats fold down for additional storage. This vehicle is powered by a 3.6 liter 6-cylinder engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at Mercedes-Benz of Wesley Chapel, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.